So here's the truck that we're loading down, 2020 Powerstroke on 24x12 American Forces and 35s and a big Tex 14 GX trailer. So we're gonna be loading this with about 9,500, 9,000 pounds. And you guys see we're rocking the TSO exhaust tip. If you guys want 10% off their products, you can use my code. But the main focus here is listen to the sound of that Powerstroke. That is not how it sounded last time we made this video. So they went off somewhere, wherever the heck they are, to get a backhoe. But we're up here again at the gravel yard. We're gonna be getting some of that rock right there. And we're gonna be getting some of this rock right here and delivering it for a customer. So, well, not necessarily a customer, my neighbor, but they paid me to do it. So I guess maybe they're customers, I don't know. Anyway, well, let's go ahead, get loaded up, and then show you guys how it does towing. I'll be mainly focusing on exhaust brake differences from stock, towing, how it does shifting, and temperatures, see if it stays cool. So let's go ahead and hop into it. Alrighty, so we are weighed down. We've got the truck in tow mode. We've got our exhaust brake on, 37,000 miles. We've got right here our onboard air compressor, currently set to 10 pounds. I'm gonna bump that up to like 30. And let that fill up a little bit so there's not as much sag in the back. Gonna bump the trailer brakes up. We're gonna put those at a 10 gain. Since we're carrying about 14,000 pounds, we might as well just use the trailer brakes that we've got. Got some country on. Now we're gonna hop on the scale, get paid up. I'll show you guys the load, and then I'll show you guys the exhaust brake coming down the hill. All right, so real quick overlook of the load. We got 4.5 tons of rock here. This stuff is heavy enough where we don't need to do anything, but we're gonna hop on the road and show you guys how the truck runs. Okay, sorry guys, the sun is facing the wrong direction for this, so we'll see if that helps a little bit. I'm gonna roll down the back windows and open the back slide so you guys can hear the exhaust brake. So I'm gonna push the brake pedal and engage the exhaust brake, and here it comes. Wow. Okay, so no brakes, just come to practically a stop. I mean, we've come to 10 miles an hour. We've got our brakes on the back. One thing I'm gonna do real quick is check the brakes. They work 100%. I did that earlier, I just didn't mention it in the video. So always when you load down a trailer, check and make sure your brakes work. But now here goes a little pull downhill, and then we're gonna hear some exhaust brake action, and then we'll hop on the highway. Okay, engine brakes coming on here through the trees. Okay, so up here, you see the stop sign, we've got a downhill coming. So I'm gonna hurry and push the brake, engage that exhaust brake. come to a stop. Here we're gonna get on the highway and show you guys how the 10-speed pulls. So here we go. My mirrors are so dirty, it's not even funny. Okay, here we go. Now, as far as towing inside goes, I've got my back slide open. So there's a tiny bit of drone noise. We do have half 4-inch, half 5-inch exhaust. And, well, you can really hear the turbo just whistling. You can hear that exhaust brake. It sounds incredible. We have a 5 to 8-inch tip, so a 5-inch inlet on the tip. And then we have an 8-inch outlet on the tip. So here you can hear, this is the windows up and just that back slide. Woohoo! God bless the 10-speed, boys! This is incredible. I thought it couldn't get much better, but that's better. I'm just gonna say it. It's better. It's better when these trucks can breathe. So since I know you guys are gonna ask, here is all the windows closed and the backslide closed. Here's the drone at 60 miles an hour. We're currently in 10th gear and we're just cruising. We are just cruising. So that's what it sounds like. There's not really much drone noise. Like, if I'm being honest with you, my tires are probably just as loud as the drone noise from the exhaust. With the 10-speed, you're able to be in such a high gear and be so low that you don't get a lot of drone noise. And if you wanted more, you could just put it in like 8th gear or something like that and raise those RPMs a little bit. But not much drone noise. So I'll do a little pull here, like a little 60 to 70 pull, just so you can hear inside. Probably shift down a little bit. And we got a GT500. Nice. As you can see, our transmission is staying nice and cool at 207. Down. This is a little pole. There's some buildings right here, so that you guys might want to hear the exhaust. It really just sounds incredible. Just sounds incredible. we get to see how much my mileage per gallon has gone down. Oh, not that much. Not that much. Still getting pretty good. Now, without a trailer, we're getting about 22 to 23 miles to gallon in eco mode. There's the exhaust brake coming on. Right here, the speed limit changes. So let me give you guys a little bit of acceleration. And right back to cruising speed. Set cruise and let it do its thing. So currently at 60 miles an hour, we're getting about 14 miles to the gallon. Now 15. Now 20, it's gonna kind of just vary and change and whatnot. If I go up or down a grade a little bit, that will change and vary. But overall, the truck is doing incredible. Just out of warranty, as you can see, our mileage there, just out of warranty and needs it clean. You can see it's dusty, but we have been putting it to work. We've been very, very busy working the last little bit. So the truck has been put off to the side. So anyway. Yeah, I think that's about it. I hope that answers all your guys' towing questions. If you have questions or want to see more, go ahead and drop them down in the comments below. Here I'm coming downhill. My mileage per gallon is going to go up a little bit, you'll see. And then, well, we're going to be passing a bridge here, so the exhaust will sound pretty good right here. Yes, baby. Yes. This is why we love America. Well, I mean, technically that's not why we love America. We love America, and they don't really like that we do that. But anyway. Okay, well, I really hope that, guys, knocks out all your guys' questions that you had for towing with a tuned 2020 Powerstroke. If you have more, again, drop them down in the comments. Let me know. Let me know if you enjoyed today's video or what you guys want to see more of in future videos. And until then, we'll catch you guys on the next one. All right, so just pulling away, you can see the pile right there. Well, my mirrors are so dirty. You can see the pile right there. We were able to deliver the rock for a neighbor. They are very happy and pleased with the rock. And that's it for today's video, guys. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.